Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Nino's Poultry Farm. I am Nino. This is my farm. So here we keep 2,000 chicks. So I've been in this business as an investor for a while, and I've developed some knowledge. So we'll take you through on how to run a successful poultry farm. In case you have any question, in case you are someone who desires to run a poultry farm in this magnitude, don't forget to drop your questions on the comment section so we can also educate you on how to run a business like this. Gone are those days where we rely on the government to give us opportunities. It's okay if you have a job, it's okay, but you can also do something on the side like this that will cater for you and your family rather than sitting at home waiting for somebody to save you. Nobody is coming to save you. So today, this is day 10. This is day 10. They have to be vaccinated today. Coming year, we have already taken away all the drinkers and they have been fed. They have to be like this, to be fed without giving them water because they have to be tested. So when the vaccine comes, they will rush to get it. So you come along and we'll show you step by step on how it's done. If you have any questions, don't forget to drop it in the comment section, and please subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any post that we make. Peace.